We have another video talking about Mullen stock. Now, I do think this one could be bottomed out just around 9 cents, as it just recently developed support just around 9 cents, or just under that, like 0.088, something like that. Almost hit 1 billion volume last week. This one has a lot of volume, so this one could easily move. It was recently the most searched stock according to thelion.com. Not only that, but it was most active and had the most watchers in the last 24 hours according to StockWits for most of last week, and especially the week before that. Still has a lot of eyes on it, trending all over Reddit, all over the internet. A lot of catalysts that are pending, and I do think they are going to put out a lot more next week. So this is going to be a very interesting week as well. One concern I have for this company that you really need to take caution of is they have until September, or just around September, which is around 5 months or just over 4 months, to get the stock price organically to $1 to a $1 minimum bid price in order to stay listed on the Nasdaq. If they do not do this, obviously they will have to do a reverse split and will hurt the stock very badly. We're currently trading just over the 52-week low of 9 cents. So this one is on an extreme discount right now. Like I said, there could be a reverse split in the future, in the coming months, but we are just focused on the next month and the next few weeks, trying to swing trade this one with some very big catalysts coming up. They're really going to be trying to push this stock up. But they did have some positive news, closing green Thursday despite the short interest increasing by a few million shares. Currently, the stock closed at 10 cents. So this was a very good sign. Shorts were really trying to attack this one. Still closed green, which is a very good sign. We had a very short trading day on Thursday. No trading on Friday, for the holiday. So it's going to be a very long weekend for you traders out there. But go ahead and smash the like button. If you have nothing else to do and you're just waiting for the market to open, just go ahead and tap it for me. And let's just start going over this stock. You watch this entire video because near the end, I'll be showing you briefly going over the 8K that they released yesterday, where they are hinting that a reverse split may come sooner than later for this company, possibly in 2 months, something like that. They are hinting at this, and it is a very good possibility that this happens, but it may not happen as well. This isn't confirmed. I'm not a financial advisor either. Also looks like some dilution or some preferred stock that will eventually turn to dilution will be going through with an agreement in the next month or two. This is something we have to briefly go over as well. So according to Ortex, the live short interest percent of the free float is 13%, or 13.6%. The live short interest is 256 million shares. So this one did go up a few million and probably will go up even further as shorts are really trying to push this one down. So Mullen Automotive is really trying to take over the commercial side of the EVs, the electric vehicles. They also have other cars as well, but they are really trying to, even if they can take a fraction of the commercial side and really dominate that side of the industry, this one will really be successful long term. I really think, honestly, long term, if you buy this one now, like I keep saying in my videos, I honestly believe you'll make a lot of money. But via Twitter, we have some more confirmed MULN deliveries that just came out from an anonymous user on Twitter. As you can see right here, they say, what is this? The total of 16. I believe this is for the UNC order. So there you have that. So this same user is saying, if anyone wants to check out the Mullen 1 at UNC, go to the parking lot and transportation at 9643 Poplar Lane in Charlotte, North Carolina, 28262. So he's saying you can go for yourself. So someone saw someone transporting a delivery as well, which was posted on Twitter. So definitely positive right here. If they do have to do a reverse split in a few months or before that, obviously the stock price will tank. But I do think it will recover in the long term. So if you are trying to get in now, I think you can swing it and make money. That's what I'm doing right now. And I also am prepared to hold it long term if they do a RS and I'm in, somewhere before September and I'm not prepared for it and I do take a loss, I will hold these and still be very confident that I will make my money back, because this is an investment I really believe in. I think it's very undervalued right now. So for the past month, this stock is down 52%. It has been in a downtrend for a very, very long time, for the past year, but I did call this stock out. I did say it was bottomed out around 19 cents. We had a run all the way up to 40 or 50 cents. We took a lot of profit, and that's what we're doing now. I did buy a lot of shares around 10 cents. I do think 9 cents is the bottom, as we recently developed support just at 9 cents. And this stock, it does run on news. and catalysts, and then pump and dumps off the news and stuff like that. So the chart isn't really going to tell you too much. The RSI is around 30, indicating that the stock is oversold. I think we hit around 750 million volume one of the early days last week, which was pretty crazy. Also, they did put an 8K out just yesterday. Haven't really went over it that much, but the companies and buyers entered into the securities purchase agreement dated as of June 7th, 2022. As amended, the securities purchase agreement pursuant which, upon the terms and subject to the conditions contained therein, the buyers shall purchase solely upon the company's request on the purchase date of the commitment amount of shares of the companies, which are Series D preferred stock and warrants. The company and buyers desire to amend the securities purchase agreement. So the securities purchase agreement shall be amended such that references to the purchase date shall mean with a respect of $45 million of the commitment amount on April 17th, 2023, with respect to another $45 million of the commitment amount on May 15th, 2023. So this is going to give them cash very quickly, but, really hurt them over time. So, has two downsides and a positive. Does give them cash, but is going to be toxic over time. The company will not affect a reverse stock split of the common stock within 5 trading days prior to either purchase date. So they're saying they will not affect a reverse split of their common stock. Keep in mind the preferred stock that they are giving to these toxic lenders. These lenders, it's the same ones as before. It's going to be one of them or two of them actually, but they're saying the company will not affect a reverse stock split of the common stock within 5 days prior of each of these purchase dates. Keep in mind that the preferred stock here will be converted to common shares eventually, and I'm not really sure how much authorized shares or how much room for dilution they actually have as of now. And because of this agreement and everything like that, is a reverse stock coming from Mullen Automotive sooner than later? It's very possible. Is that what they're hinting at? It could be the case. I think they are running out of room for dilution, and there is a good chance a reverse split will come sooner than later, and that they will not be able to push this one to $1 organically. That's it for the video today, guys. Make sure you thumbs up the video, put notifications on, and subscribe if you haven't already. I still believe that 8 or 9 cents could be the bottom for this company. If they do a reverse split sooner than later, this could change. We'll just have to play it out and see if they have any big news or deliveries or partnerships and stuff like that come out in the next week or two or in the near time future. I still think this company is extremely discounted and could have a very big role and a chance to dominate the commercial side of the EV. So apologize for not being as active as usual. I'm trying to work on changing that. But either way, guys, I will see you on the next video.